Hi, my name is Brian Fritz, National Sales Manager of AutoGate. I'm also with Bill Rodwansey, President and CEO of AutoGate. In the next few minutes, we'd like to familiarize you with our product, the vertical pivot gate system. AutoGate has been manufacturing vertical pivot gate systems for nearly 3 decades. We also manufacture active barrier crash systems that are certified and crash tested to Department of State as well as ASTM F2656 standards. Today, we'll be featuring our standard product, the vertical pivot gate system. Our systems are CSA 22.2 as well as Underwriters Laboratory UL 325 listed products. We build our gate panel in accordance with ASTM F2200 standards. We ensure compliance to ASTM F2200, the standard that deals with the fabrication of the gate for systems that are intended to be automated. AutoGate pre-screens the gate for the portion of the gate that pivots back into the operator to minimize any reach through. The other things AutoGate takes into account are there are no protrusions from the bottom edge of the gate. They're all smooth edges. There are no protrusions coming out of the vertical plane. AutoGate fabricates and fits utilizing high quality materials to the highest of welding standards. I would like to demonstrate 3 entrapment protection features to AutoGate systems. The first I'd like to demonstrate is the photo eye. Should a pedestrian or any obstruction cross the path of the photo beam, the gate immediately recognizes and reverses. The second is a contact sensor that we put on the bottom of the gate. Upon contact, the gate will immediately reverse. The third is our inherent reversing sensor built into the control board. Once the gate senses an obstruction, even if it's not encountered any of the safety devices that I've just demonstrated, the gate will stop and reverse. Unique to AutoGate and vertical pivot gate systems is the ability to accommodate the gate to any terrain that exists on site. In this example, we have fabricated the gate to go over railroad tracks, changing slopes or contours in the roadway, and at the end we simulated a curb notch. The uniqueness to the AutoGate system is we can have our gate fit your site. You do not have to change your site to accommodate our gate. As a standard, all AutoGate systems are battery backed up systems. In the event of a catastrophic loss of AC power, the batteries immediately take over and the system will continue to operate for several hundreds of cycles. However, in the catastrophic situation of a total loss of both AC and DC power, the gate can still be manually operated by simply disengaging the motor from the drive, lifting up on the linkage arm assembly, and with very minimal effort, raising the gate to the open position. All access controls and safety devices are run to our NEMA 4 control box. Our system is a spring balance system that is also accompanied by a 1/3 horsepower DC motor. The DC motor turns 2 bull wheels, a pulley system, belt driven, that lifts the gates. Together between the motor and the springs, the system is balanced for smooth operation. Maintenance is quite simple. There are multiple grease points for lubrication of any moving parts. We also would ask that you rotate your belts 180 degrees for even belt wear. A uniqueness to AutoGate is we are able to assemble the system and wire the system to operate traffic lights and lights on the actual gate panel. We have found this to be a wonderful safety feature and a substantial reduction in gate impacts by vehicles. For more information or should you have any questions, please do give us a call or visit us online.